Hello guys, and welcome to another video. I just received this in the post, so I'm going to do an unboxing of it. I'll be using this in some future episodes. So I went ahead and got myself a GoPro Hero 5 Black to do some videos with. I'll probably use it to record some of my cars, driving down the road as well, and a bit of radio controlled car stuff. Just pull the sleeve tag at the bottom. We take out the camera. Looks quite nice. Got some instructions. Got a battery. Little flat stick-on stand. Slightly curved stick-on stand, and the USB charging cable. Not really sure how we get this off here. So we just lift that back. Does it pinch? I don't know. Oh, right, I see it. Right, so you just pinch these two back. It slides forward. And there's the camera. Looks nice. Tag on the top, but it's like a clip. Not sure how you. Right, it just unclips off at the top, and we can push it out of its casing. And we've got the camera. Let me just. Right, I've got it focused in a little closer now. Presume we have to get rid of this sticker on the back. There it goes. Here's the battery compartment. I don't have the micro SD yet. That should be coming in the post tomorrow. So we have a battery low sign across the top. Hero 5 wrote on the front in the little screen. It's asking us to pick the language. The date. I don't even know the date. The 8th. So there we go, we got the date in now. The time. Let's just call it 2:20. GPS we'll put on. Let's go for a quick camera tour. Shoot. Oh, short press power on, long press power off on the side button, which is located on the right hand side. Mode button. Oh, did we miss one? Nope. Mode button. Switches between video and photo modes. Same button, the one on the side, you just press it. Mode button. Adds highlight tags while recording. Side button again on the right. Shutter button. Capture videos and photos. This top one with a round ring. Shutter button. Quick capture. Short press for video. Long press for time lapse and photos. Quick capture, the top button again. When your GoPro is off, press the shutter to power on and start recording automatically. Camera modes and settings. Tap below to change modes and settings. That's on the bottom half. Advanced settings. Swipe to the left to access additional settings. So you swipe to the left from the right hand side. Preferences. Swipe down to connect to other devices and change preferences. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Media. Swipe to the right to view your photos and videos. So you swipe from the left hand side to the right. Exposure. Press and hold to set the exposure. Exit. Swipe down to return to the main screen. Mobile apps. GoPro app. Use your phone as a remote. Playback and share. Receive auto updates. Edit and share with Quick. Automatic edits made awesome. Plus. With GoPro Plus, your Hero 5 can auto-upload your photos and videos to cloud for easy access on your phone. Visit preferences to take this tour again. Done. Well, there it is, guys. There is my new recording device. Hopefully I'll get some good footage with this. It's really nice. Seems well made. Feels nice and heavy. So you put it in the case like so. shut it, and you flick it down at the back half, and then just shove it forwards, and then you're locked into the stand case. Then you can take these pads and stick them whatever you want, and then they shove on from the back. And then you got this little rubber tag on the back, and you push that down and then it stops it from undoing. So you can stick that to almost anything. Well guys, I'll do a review on this after I've used it a few times. If you watch some of my upcoming videos, I'm going to put some videos on with some footage of it. Well guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.